to having made some difference and you have lived and live well. To officially welcome us all to this grand event, let us hear some words of welcome from no other than the humble and active school principal of the Central Elementary Schools, Dr. Leopoldo C. Diego. A round of applause, please.
Thank you, exist. Our guests this morning, and especially our honorary Sir Muchi and his family, our public supervisor, Anthony, Mr. Arnie, all students, and all teachers, visitors, and guests, all leaders of Laak. Good morning. Hindi na ang walang kabahin o ang buong kabahin na yung tapat. Tingnan, magmalipayo ka kay testimony niya na Sir Sakla. Nakalingin na ba ka na? Hindi ka wala ang buo. Kasi kung tagin lang, kalingin na sa. Okay? So, it is with great pleasure and heartfelt appreciation that I welcome you all to this testimonial program of our Papa Shira Tita Shira. KSDS Ramon El Sabra ED has left a lasting mark on our district through years of dedicated service. Your leadership, commitment, and vision have shape the community in countless ways. And today we gather not only to celebrate your retirement, sir, but to honor you. The incredible legacy you left behind. Your dedication and willing and positive impact you had on all of us in Laak. Thank you, Sir Muchi, and you are all welcome, guests and visitor. Good morning.
For student homes, we're looking forward to a wonderful celebration of our honors, life, and work.
Sa mga nakita ng pampakinit, nanay kami dali sa inyong right side.
Yes, may coffee po tayo available. And now, as we prepare to celebrate Dr. Ramon L. Sabra achievements, please welcome the school principal board of Kalimutan Integrated School, Dr. Robert R. Milan, who will provide us with a deeper understanding of our honors background and accomplishments. A round of applause, please.
Good morning, everyone. Hello. My greetings to the inmates of the Department of Education, the AXA, our very own DSDS, Sir RDNG Castillo. Of course, we have with us the DSDS of Landlord, Nagpiti, Piñaroyo. The very person that I'm going to introduce you today is my boss friend. Of course, mamaya ka lang siya papakalanan po. Pero nasa kanyang kanan ay ang kanyang dalawa, may gumali ng Vivian. Yung sa kaliwa naman po, aking ihana, Ma'am Angel. Alam mo po, today, we are celebrating a moment for a very generous guy. It's not only a friend of everyone, but also a person who leave a legacy to the municipality of Laak. He's then our public schools district supervisor and have served 34 years and 5 months in our department. He was appointed last September 5, 1990 by the late Superintendent Sir Prudential M. Mabango. Meron ba ba nakakilala kay Sir Mabango? He rose from ranks as a teacher from 1990 to 2001, and then head teacher from 2001 to 2004, a principal from 2004 to 2008, promoted to principal to 2008-2012, and then promoted as a full-fledged Public Schools District Supervisor on 2012. He was assigned in Lahat District. And then, in 2013, he was moved to Lahat, Albuturan East District. And then, he went back to Lahat District on 2019 and 2020. There was a separation already at this point in time. He was assigned in Lahat North District 2019 to 2020 and then came back to Lahat South District 2022-2025. He was born under the zodiac sign Virgo. That was August 31. Ako i-mention ang tuwing year. Sagot siya, 1960. Palagpakan! Hindi naman yung nakikita sa mukha, diba? Actually, he's the youngest among the 9 children of the late Benigno Gabriela Safra Sr. and Felicitas Salutan Mendomedio. May lahat po sila. Laking Amerika. Doon sa Espanyol. Spanish. Papakalanan ko po ang nakunang kapatid niya, si Madam Chidelusa Safra Uy. Palagpakan po natin mga kapatid. Pangalawa naman po ay si Rene. Safra Mila. Katukayo. Katukayo pa sa kapatid. Paling po kayo makakita. And then, pangatlo naman po, si Ma'am Virginia Safra Uzi, who is now in the United States of America. And then, we have with us, the fourth one is Arturo Domingo Safra. Sir, and then, pangalan naman po, we have Perla Safra Mande. And then, sunod pang ito, si Ma'am Lilia Safra Aureliano, who's also a teacher. Pangalawa naman po, si Benigno Domingo Safra Jr. And then, of course, pang siya, yung ating economy today. Happily married to Vivian Nangwa Safra, ang magandang butihin ng ating bitay. Palagpakan po, the Master Teacher 2 of Lahat Central Elementary Schools Net Center. Of course, alam po natin, she is handling the children with learning difficulty. And of course, the only daughter, Angel Nangwa Safra, now a teacher of Lahat Central Net Center. Mataas-taas na to. Sa panahon ng kanyang pag-aaral, masigasig po siyang nag-aaral. Sa elementary coach po siya nakapagtapos sa Mapo Heights Central Elementary School. Sa sekundarya naman po sa Meridol High School of Mapo. Ang kanyang tertiary education ay doon po sa University of Mindanao with a degree of Bachelor of Arts in English and earned units in Bachelor of Science in Education major in English. Alam niyo, gusto talaga niya mag-aral po. Meron din po siyang 6 months na vocational course as Data Electronics Vocational School in Davao City sa AMA Computer School. And then, he earned his Master of Arts in Administration and Supervision in the University of Mindanao, Davao City in 1986, and eventually finished the degree in the University of Mindanao, Davao City on March 21, 2003. He earned his doctoral degree at the University of Southern Philippines Foundation, Incorporated from April 2015 and graduated on May 27, 2017. Marami din po siyang mga experience na panunungkulan sa gobyerno. Siya po ay naging kasama sa Youth Development Worker in the Department of Social Welfare and Development from 1983 and 1985 as a contractual employee. And then in 1985 to 1987 as a casual employee, and then a junior statistician in the Department of Agrarian Reform in 1988 to 1989 as a casual employee. Marami din po siyang pinakahihigitan. He's a founder of the Live Web program in 2015 in Lahat District. He presented this not only for the teachers' welfare, but for the entire municipality of Lahat. He is a passion of music. He loves ballad songs, pop songs, folk songs, and standard songs. His repertoire of music is noted as a member of the Davao stories. One of those